Today we are making Spanish air fryer baked apples with honey and cinnamon. This recipe serves 4 people and takes about 30 minutes from start to finish. Let's get into it. Before we start, here's what you'll need. For medium firm apples, choose apples that hold their shape when baked. 2 tablespoons honey. It adds floral sweetness and a glossy finish. 1 tablespoon brown sugar for deeper caramel notes. 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon for warmth and aroma. 1 tablespoon unsalted butter, divided into 4 pieces, to baste the tops. 2 tablespoons raisins for chewy sweetness. 2 tablespoons chopped almonds for Mediterranean crunch. Zest of 1 lemon for bright citrus aroma. 1 tablespoon lemon juice to balance the sweetness. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract for round flavor. 2 tablespoons sweet sherry wine for a Spanish touch. 1 pinch of fine salt to sharpen the flavors. Olive oil spray to lightly coat the air fryer basket. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Rinse the apples under cold water and dry them well with a clean towel. Slice a very thin piece from the bottom of each apple so it stands upright. Core the apples, leaving the bottom intact to create a cavity for the filling. In a medium bowl, combine 2 tablespoons raisins, 2 tablespoons chopped almonds, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, a pinch of fine salt, and the zest of 1 lemon. Add 2 tablespoons honey, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons sweet sherry wine. Stir until the mixture is sticky and evenly moistened. Divide the filling among the apples, pressing it gently into each cavity so it sits level with the top. Top each apple with 1 piece of the unsalted butter, using the full 1 tablespoon divided into 4 pieces. Preheat the air fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 minutes. Lightly spray the air fryer basket with olive oil spray. Arrange the apples upright in the basket, leaving a little space between them for air circulation. Air fry at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Open the basket and carefully spoon the cooking juices over the tops of the apples. Continue air frying at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 to 8 minutes more, until the apples are tender and the tops look caramelized. Total cook time is 15 to 18 minutes. Let the apples rest in the basket for 3 minutes to settle the juices. Tilt the basket and spoon any remaining juices over the apples so they glisten. Serve the baked apples warm, with plenty of their syrupy juices. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you love these Spanish air fryer baked apples, tap like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a recipe.